Hi everyone, I am Pragna Patel and welcome back to your favorite channel Easy Speak English. Friends, your life won't change until you change. Listen, you have spent years doubting yourself, years waiting for the right moment. But if I tell you, the right moment is this moment, present moment. ચાલો લાઈફ ચેન્જિંગ ફ્યુ મિનિટ્સમાં શરૂ કરીએ. We start with powerful sentences. Nobody coming to save you. તમારી લાઈફ તમારે જ બદલવાની છે. The world rewards actions, not excuses. Friends, sometimes you feel stuck, but you are not lazy. You are scared. Scared of failure. Scared of judgment, scared of responsibility. But remember, nobody grows in comfort zone. Reset your mind and start telling yourself, I deserve success. હું સફળતા ડિઝર્વ કરું છું. I am capable. હું સક્ષમ છું. I am improving day by day. હું દરરોજ ઇમ્પ્રૂવ થઈ રહી છું. આ એફર્મેશન તમારા બ્રેઇનને રીવાયર કરે છે. ઇમેજિન યોર ફ્યુચર સેલ્ફ 5 years from now. Stronger, confident, successful. Discipline over motivation. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays. Small efforts create big results. Let's see an example. Wake up 20 minutes early. 10 pages reading. 30 minutes skill practice. Every not today. Every I'm so tired. Every kalthi. Destroys your future. Stop negotiating with your weakness. Now we learn how to build confidence. Confidence doesn't come from achievements. It comes from doing difficult things daily. જ્યારે તમે પોતાની સાથે કરેલી પ્રોમિસ પૂરી કરો છો, તમારો કોન્ફિડન્સ સ્કાય રોકેટ થાય છે. Now make your identity. You are not the person you were last year, last month, even yesterday. Rewrite your story and become the hero of your story. You have suffered, struggled, survived. That means you are stronger enough to rise higher. Trust your journey. Trust your growth. In the next 24 hours, do one thing. Your future self will thank you. For small step, big change. And remember, life doesn't change by chance. Life change by choice. અને તે ચોઈસ તમે આજે કરી. Thank you so much for your time. Follow for more English motivation videos. Take care and goodbye.